Are you tired of dealing with stubborn toenail fungus that just won't go away? You're not alone. Toenail fungus is a common issue, but the good news is that there are effective home remedies you can try. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 5 home remedies for toenail fungus treatment that actually work. Make sure to watch until the end for all the details. First on our list is tea tree oil. This essential oil is a powerful antifungal agent that has been used for centuries to treat skin infections, including toenail fungus. To use tea tree oil for toenail fungus treatment, simply apply a few drops directly onto the affected nail twice a day. Make sure to let it absorb completely before putting on socks or shoes. Consistent use over a few months can lead to noticeable improvements. Next up, we have apple cider vinegar. Its acidic nature helps to balance the pH of your skin, making it harder for fungus to thrive. For toenail fungus treatment, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a basin and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Alternatively, you can apply it directly to the nail with a cotton ball. This method is simple, but highly effective. Baking soda is another powerful home remedy that can help treat toenail fungus. It works by neutralizing the acidic environment that fungus needs to grow. For toenail fungus treatment, make a paste by mixing baking soda with water and apply it to the affected nails. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing off. You can also add a little bit of baking soda to your shoes to keep them dry and fungus-free. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that can penetrate the cell membranes of fungi and disrupt their structure. For toenail fungus treatment, massage a small amount of coconut oil onto the affected nails and surrounding skin 2 to 3 times a day. Its natural antifungal properties not only help in treating the fungus, but also keep your skin moisturized. Finally, garlic is well known for its antifungal and antimicrobial properties. To use garlic for toenail fungus treatment, crush a few cloves of garlic to release their natural juices and apply them directly to the affected nails. Cover with a bandage and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing off. The strong smell might be a bit off-putting, but garlic is incredibly effective in fighting fungal infections. Before we wrap up, if you're looking for an extra boost in your toenail fungus treatment, consider trying ProNail Complex. It's a supplement designed to support healthy nails from the inside out. You can find the link to learn more about it in the comments below. Toenail fungus can be a persistent problem, but with these home remedies, you have a strong chance of seeing improvements. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on keeping your nails healthy. And as always, leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier nails.